given x squared minus 6x plus 7 equals 0, solve the equation by completing the square and using inverse operations. Okay, let's start with x squared minus 6x. I'm going to leave a big space here, plus 7. I'm going to take half of this negative 6, and I'm going to add it. So half of negative 6 is negative 3. And I'm also going to subtract it. I'm going to split this down the middle. Actually, I could just use this vertical line here. So on the left side, I'm going to have x minus 3 squared. It's just going to be whatever's in there. And on the right side, it's negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 9 plus 7, that's a negative 2. I have x minus 3 squared minus 2. So now that's all equal to 0. Now we can start to use inverse operations. That would mean that x minus 3 equals 2. No, x minus 3 squared equals 2. X minus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 2. So x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 2. So what this means is this number right here, the 3, is our line of symmetry. And this number right here, the square root of 2, that's our distance from the line of symmetry to an x-intercept.